What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video, guys, it's all about AMP. Again, hasn't been performing too well over the last couple of days, and even in the last 24 hours is only up about 2% and currently trading at 0.006, just under that value. So what we're going to be going through in today's video is it time to buy the dip? Is it time to sell it? Or is it time to hold on to it before it goes up in value over the coming days and weeks? So covering both buyers and sellers' point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the short term and over the long term as well. And I'm going through how high can AMP really go in 2023, and is it a crypto worth investing into this year? As you guys know, there's plenty of projects out there, but is AMP one of the top ones to be investing into? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is up just about a percentage in the last 24 hours, and AMP is also one of the cryptos that's up today, even though in the last hour it has more or less fluctuated. Over the last day it is up 2%. As you can see, even though it's been very volatile, it's in the positive direction. Over the week 18%, and over the month 21%, with a major peak here about 4 or 5 days ago going up 80%, heading to that 1 cent target, but has taken quite a drop after that. Going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by 8%, making it $25 million. And guys, the trading volume has dropped quite a lot over the last few days. It was over $100 million, but right now has dropped very much and is only at $25 million. So again, not many people are trading the crypto. As you guys can clearly see, it has been dropping in value over the last 2, 3, 4 days, meaning not many people are trading it right now. Most people are just holding on to it, waiting for it to make a huge movement before they either buy it or sell it. So because they're holding on to it at the moment, the trading volume has gone down to $25 million. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of AMP, which is here in purple at 0.005325. However, we can see it trading at slightly higher value here in red at nearly 0.006 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer as usual. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here? We do have the blue and orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning an overall minimal drop in value is what is expected over the coming 12 to 14 hours. So let's say in the early hours of tomorrow, we should expect AMP to be trading at a slightly lower value than where it is at the moment. Nothing too major, very minimal drop, guys. As you guys can see, over the last couple of hours, it's been very volatile. Peaks, drops, peaks, drops. It's been a repeated cycle, and that is also what is likely to take place over the coming 12 to 14 hours as well. Do expect it to pump up in value and then drop back down, but the overall outcome seems to slightly be more heading towards the negative direction rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall minimal drop in value from AMP over the coming 12 to 14 hours. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, again, we've got the blue and the orange line looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction, meaning more drops in value are expected from AMP over the coming 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of this week, early next week. However, that is not what I'm predicting. I am indeed expecting an overall increase in value from AMP towards the end of the week and early next week as well, potentially heading to about 0.007 to 0.008 cents is what I'm expecting by the end of this week. Again, that doesn't mean that we're going to be consistently hitting green candles for the next 7-8 days. Of course not. We are likely to hit red days and green days, just like how it's been over the last couple of days. It's going to be volatile, but the overall outcome, once again, it seems to be more on the positive side. So again, an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see? We're looking, this one's quite interesting actually. We've got the blue line looking bearish and the orange line looking bullish. So yes guys, we've got two lines going the opposite direction to each other, meaning an overall fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming 6 to 8 weeks, so mid to late April 2023. According to the graph, AMP should be trading at more or less 5 cents in target, but you guys, from my predictions, I'm expecting it to go over about 13 to 14 cents by late April 2023 is what my expectations are. Again, it may seem like a major increase from where it is at the moment. However, guys, if we give it approximately a good 2 months, I'm pretty sure we should be way over 10 cents, heading to about 15 cents by late April and early May 2023. And if you guys compare it to how 2023 has been so far, it was literally trading around 3 cents. Sorry, not 3 cents, 0.003 cents very early January, and right now has pumped up nearly 3 times this value about a couple of days ago, but obviously it's taken a little drop. So essentially by mid to late April, we should be seeing it around over the 1 cent target, and it's trading at 0.013. I'm not sure if I said 13 or 14 cents earlier on in the video. If I did, that's not what I meant. What I meant is 0.013 cents. Can get a bit confusing, but yeah, I do apologize for what I said earlier about the 13 or 14 cents. That's not what I mean. That it's not going to hit that anytime soon. What I meant is 0.013 to 0.014 cents by late April and early May is what my expectations are. But yeah, so far so good for AMP, guys. Again, dips are always part of the process. I keep mentioning this because some of you guys seem to think that whenever I say it's going to be an increase in value, it's going to be consistently going up in value. No guys, that's not the case, and that's never happened in cryptocurrency. Dips and red candles are always part of the process, and without that, literally there's no way that we're going to keep hitting green candles consistently for the next couple of weeks or months or even hours. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator, guys. These are my takes and my predictions. What I want you guys to do in the comment section down below is let me know, when are you guys expecting AMP to hit the 1 cent target? Again, it may seem like we've got quite a long way to go, but again guys, you can hit that in the next couple of days depending on how the crypto market performs. But yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.